Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and the wiring diagram for the EGR vacuum solenoid valve on Audi A4 A5 B8 with a 2.7 TDI engine and 3 liters TDI engine. Before I show you the location of the valve on the car, first I'm going to show you the service manual and we'll see the wiring diagram for it. In the service manual, I'm going to select the car, select the engine, and then show you the wiring diagram and the component location. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the service manual here, I'm going to type in the search tab EGR cooler bypass valve or vacuum solenoid valve, depends on how it's called here, and that's it. That's what it looks like. And the location of this valve is number 8, located right there, somewhere in the middle of the engine. Next, we're going to see the wiring diagram for this valve. So the EGR vacuum solenoid valve is located right there, Y208, illuminated in blue. We can see the valve has 2 wires. One of them is blue going to the engine control module. The second wire is red and white. It's a shared wire, and that's the power wire, and it's going directly to the fuse. We can see a lot of components here are sharing one fuse because they're all sharing this wire. Next, I'll show you the location of this EGR vacuum solenoid valve on the car. We saw in the service manual that it's located somewhere in the middle of the engine, and that's it right there. That's it. We can see it has 2 wires. The red is the power source wire coming from a fuse, and the other wire is going to the engine control module. It also has a vacuum hose. The vacuum hose is located right there. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.